Good morning, Princeton K. I hope you are doing well this morning. We are getting ready to do our math lesson for Module 5, Lesson 6. So this is the worksheet that we're going to be working on today. So if this is what you have and this is what you are ready to do, please get this worksheet out. We are going to do a few examples and then we are going to work on the first problem together, and then you'll get to do the rest with whoever's with you at home, okay? So we are getting ready to work on doing teen numbers. We worked on this last week with lessons 1 through 5, and so we are now getting ready to work on this with lessons 6 through 10. So we've been working on counting and saying numbers the say 10 way after we count to 10. So we're going to do that really quick, and then we're going to count to numbers the say 10 way after we get to 10. So let's do this together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 2 tens. Remember what happens when we get to 2 tens? What happens when we get to 2 tens? It becomes what? It becomes 20. Yes, it becomes 20. Very cool. Okay, so our two problems today, we are looking, if you see on your worksheet, we have 2 10 frames. Remember, they're called 10 frames because they have 10 spaces in them. So what we're going to do is I'm going to fill these out really quick. And what I want you to see is what we're going to count is we're going to count how many are in each 10 frame, and we're going to see if we can make a teen number out of how many spaces are filled in on our 10 frame, okay? So I'm going to fill these out with my green pen so that we don't get confused. So I want you to look at what I filled in for my 10 frame here, or my 2 10 frames. I want you to tell me what you see. What do you see in these 10 frames? Is one of them already totally filled out? Right? Yeah, one 10 frame already has all of the 10 spaces filled out. So we can say below that it has all 10 filled out. But then what about the other 10 frame? Are all 10 filled out? No, they're not, right? No, because we still have some empty spaces here. So how many spaces in this 10 frame are filled out? Yell it. I want to hear it. I want to hear it. Yell it. Did you say 6? Yeah, 6. You're right. There are only 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome job. Only 6. So, if you saw my video before this one about how to make your own hide 0 cards, I want you to get those out right now. Or if you haven't made those hide 0 cards yet, I want you to pause this video right now and go see that other video first, the hide 0 cards, because you need those cards to help you with this lesson right now. So pause this video and go see that other one first, because that is going to be super duper helpful with this lesson. And then after you've done and made those cards, come back right here to this lesson. If you have seen that and you have made your hide 0 cards, we're going to keep moving and grooving, okay? So get your hide 0 cards out, and I want you to get these 2 numbers out. I want you to get your 10, and I want you to get your 6 out. I'm going to get my 10 and 6 out right now. I have my 10. I need to find my 6 here. Remember when I showed in the video? We call them hide 0 cards because we hide the 0. We need to put the 6 on top of the 0. We need to hide our 0. So now, if we look, we see our 10 frames. We had 10 and 6. And I'm going to hide my 0. And what number have I made now? I didn't make 10, 6. I made 16. Even though that's how we've been counting it, it's 10, 6, we've now made the number 16. Say, way to go, Princeton K. Yeah, we made the number 16. And a way that we can write that on our board is you just write 1-6 like you saw on your hide zero cards. And a way to put that as a number sentence, if you would like, is we had 10 and 6, so we know 10 and 6 make 16. We would have to do 10 plus 6 equals 16. Okay, we're going to do one more really quick. So I'm going to fill out my 10. My 10 frame. I want you to tell me and try and tell me what you see here. Is one of them totally full? Yes, it is. So what can we say what number it is? We know what it is. It's 10, right? It's totally full. It's 10. What about on this side? How many are there? I know you know how many. 3. That's right. There's 3. Get your hide zero cards out. What are you going to need for your hide zero? You're going to need what? What numbers? 10 and 3. Get 10 and 3 out. Good job. 10 and 3. We have 10 and 3 here. I have 10 and 3 here. I need to hide my 0. Princeton K, what number did we make? We made 13. Great job. Yes, we made 13. On your worksheet, you might see arrows pointing to make the number 13. Yes, we know that. I'm going to use my black pen because you might be able to see it better. We know that 10 plus 3 equals 13. Rock it out, Princeton K. Okay, I would like you to go ahead and get your worksheet out. Today is April 13th, 2020. So that means on your work, on your date, you are going to write 4-13-20. And for your homework, you're also going to need your hide zero cards, so keep those next to you. So for your homework today, it is asking you, write and draw the number. Use your hide zero cards to help you. Okay, so we're going to do this one right here where it says 10-2. Okay, you're going to have to fill out the 10 frame. We didn't do that with my examples, but you're going to have to do it for your homework. So for this first 10 frame, how many are you going to fill out? What number is that? It's 10. So let's fill out 10. You can use circles, you can use dots, you can use X's, whatever you would like. I'm going to do circles. So I'm going to do circles, and I need to do 10. We know that a 10 frame has 10 spots, so you should fill out all the spaces. Yeah. And then how many on this side? 2. Super simple. Okay, I'm going to get out my hide zero cards. I need what numbers? 10 and 2. So I have 10-2. This is what I have from my worksheet. And I'm going to make my hide zero cards, and I'm going to cover my 0. I'm going to hide it. What number did we make? We made 12. So I'm going to write the number 12 in that gray box right down there. And if I want to be super duper extra smart, I'm going to write a number sentence because I know that I had to do 10 plus 2 to make 12. So, Princeton K, I would love to see a picture from your mom or dad, whoever you're with right now, with this worksheet once you've completed and done all of them. And if you do a number sentence, oh my goodness, Princeton K, I will give you all the snaps. I am so proud of you, Princeton K. Great job. Keep up the good work. And also send me a picture of your hide zero cards if you made them all by yourself. I use purple marker. I would love to see if you use something different. And I will see you guys later. Great job, Princeton K. Awesome job.